Hey everybody, so for today's quick tip, we're going to talk about how you can use an angle range in order to control your 3D toolpaths. Let's go ahead and dive right in. If we look at today's example, you can see we have a cavity and we're using a waterline or what we call Z-level finish toolpath. And up at the top, you can see we're getting we'll end up getting a good finish there in the more steep areas, but as it gets down into the more shallow areas, the toolpath becomes less effective, okay? And this is a common thing for any waterline toolpath. There are some options in the toolpath that we can use to combat it, but for today, what we want to do is limit where the toolpath is cutting based off of an angle range. So what we're going to do is get into the machining feature and edit it. We'll come down to the options tab. Okay, and over here you can see we can check on angle range. Now you can tell it a starting angle and an ending angle and tell the software whether you want to machine between those angles or whether you want to machine outside of those angles. Once you've updated your settings, you hit compute and we'll see that the toolpath will be updated and only machine within that angle range. I recommend you try this feature on your next project.